making a pillow and comforter for this plain Lego bed. Okay, so the material that I'm using are a scale, pencil, scissors, a needle and thread. I'm using two different colors because I have two different fabrics. Some pillow fluff to put in the pillows and the comforter. And I'm using these two different shades of fabric, a pink and a yellow. The yellow one I'm using for the comforter and the pink one I'm using for the pillows. Okay, so let's get started by making the pillows. First, I'm gonna take my pink fabric and then find the right area to make a pillow from. Okay, here I'm gonna fold it over and then smooth the line. Draw a mark where I'm gonna cut to make my pillow. There you go. You can use a chalk if you have a darker fabric, and then I'm gonna cut on the line. Okay, now we've cut our pillow, so now I'm gonna start stitching it. Let's turn it inside out. We got three different colors. Okay, now I'm taking a pink thread to stitch this pillow. I'm gonna knot the end of my thread so that it won't open, the stitches won't open. I'm knotting it twice so that it's strong. There we go. Now I'm gonna start. Okay, this is the closed side, so I'm starting from here and I'm gonna go till here because we have to leave an opening to fill in the fluff. Go. The thread and start stitching again. Until I reach the end. Okay, this side now. You don't need to worry about the rough edges because they will disappear after stitching. Okay, now over here be careful, do not stitch the whole thing because we want to leave an opening for turning it inside out and adding some fluff in it. Okay, this is my opening. Do not cut off the thread right now. You have to stitch the hole over there. I turn it inside out. I'm gonna use the end of my scissors to pop it out. Pop out all the corners. Just stuck inside. Then I add some fluff in it. I took this from an old pillow. You can even add cotton or scraps of fabric. There's some more fluff I'm adding. It looks like clouds on the sky. Okay, that's too much. Now I pull pull the thread and start sewing the top again. Making tiny stitches here because these stitches will be seen. Okay, now I'm gonna lock the end over here by just going through one of the by going through one of these stitches, I'm gonna tie a knot like I'm doing here. A knot is forming. You tie this knot so that the rest of the stitches won't open up. Alright, and we're done. I can cut this off and then place everything on my bed. I made an extra pillow like this one, and I can put both of them. Oh, they got a bit over large, I guess. Yeah. Now for the comforter. Let's remove the pillows. Now I'm gonna be measuring the size of my bed using my scale. My size of the bed is nearly 4.5 inches. You can see here. It's not going to the top, so yeah, it's 4.5 inches. So I will make a comforter that's like 4 inches, just a little bit smaller. Okay, so I get my yellow fabric here. I have this fabric. I find the end I want to cut, right end, and then place it over here, and then take my scale and measure it was like 4.5, yeah, so I measured 4 inches. Then I take my pencil and mark 4 inches over here. 4 inches I'm marking with the seam allowance. Then I take my bed then and measure the width of it. It's like 0.25. Okay, this is 2.5, so I'm marking 3 inches because to leave some seam allowance. This is 3 inches here. Mark 3 inches, and then I fold my fabric over so that I can cut out a double line. Okay, here's the line. I fold it over. Yeah, and then I fold it over and I cut off this edge. There we go. I cut it out, and I flip it over to make it inside out. Yeah, and then I am taking my orange thread and needle to stitch this one. This is my comforter. We'll stitch it just like the pillow and like leaving the same spaces, but this time it's just a bit larger. Okay, so I got it here. Now I continue stitching. We've almost reached the other side. Oh, big tangle mass. Okay. Where is this? We are almost coming to the end, and don't forget to leave the hole to turn it inside out and put in some fluff. Okay, now I did it. I'm turning this inside out and I need my fluff. I'm taking my scissor to poke out the ends. You can even use a pencil or a paintbrush, anything which just has some sharp ends to poke it open. This is done. Okay, we are done. Now I got my fluff here, big fluffy clouds. I put it in my comforter. Okay, in this comforter I'm putting a less fluff because this is not a pillow, so it's supposed to be like a soft comfy mattress type thing. Yeah, so I'm putting in less fluff and then I'm gonna squish it to make it go everywhere. Yeah, that's enough. It has to be flat because it's a comforter. Then I fold the top inside and I fold the top inside on the both ends and then take my needle and continue stitching. There. Now I've got everything ready, so let's just tie the knot and finish this off, and then it would be ready to put on the bed. I chose yellow for the comforter to give it a bit of contrast with the pink and purple and white pillows. Yeah, this matches. Now I take my scissor. First of all, stretch the thread and then cut it off. Yeah, cut it off. Next, I take my bed. Oh yeah, I remove the pillows. In the folding measurement, I put my pillows, blanket. I think one pillow is enough. Right, yeah. And we got a comforter blanket. Now over here, Wonder Woman can come. She can sit and relax. Ta-da. Okay, thank you for joining us in this video. Like, share and subscribe this video, and don't forget to see our other videos. See you next time.